Hello superstars, millionaire. You know what time is it? It's investment time. I go by the name Paul Uwakwe, a real estate authority based here in Enugu. And today I will be sharing with you today best place to buy land in Enugu. Number one, Independence Layout. Independence Layout is one of the most popular places in Enugu. You have Spa in Independence Layout. You have Roban in Independence Layout. You have Itachi in Independence Layout. You have Toscana, Okbara Square, Roots, Bikash, IMT, Bon Hotel. There's so many, like Independence Layout is in the heart of Enugu. So this is one of the places you can buy land. The other place you can buy land is Transekulu. Transekulu is one of the best places you can buy land in Enugu because it is close to ShopRite, it's close to New Market, it's also close to Independence Layout. Another place you can buy land is Maryland because Maryland is still in the developing stage. You can get land from 15 million to 30 million in Maryland. In Independence Layout, you can get land from 35 million to 100 million, while in Transekulu, you can get land from 25 million to 50 million. So another place you can buy land in Enugu is Tinker's Corner. Tinker's Corner is also a developing area and it's almost filled up, and lands there you can buy from 35 million to 60 million. And another place you can buy land in Enugu, which is somehow outskirts from Enugu, it's MNA. But before we go to MNA, you can buy land also in New Haven Extension. New Haven Extension is close to New Haven and it's close to Tinker's Corner and it's close to Independence Layout. In New Haven Extension, you can get land ranging from 25 million to 50 million. And another place, let's go back to MNA. MNA is another fantastic place that it's still developing, and there you can get land from 10 million to 25 million right now in Enugu. And another place that I would like you to invest in is Ituku Ozola. Ituku Ozola is in the developing stage and lands there are being sold for 6.5 million to 10 million. And now you can secure your plot now because in next 5 years it will be from 10 million to 20 million. And also there is a package for you. If you want to buy a bungalow, there is a package for you where you, with 6.8 million naira, you can own a bungalow and spread the balance within 10 years. This is where I come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment on the comment section. And if you think there's something I didn't add in this video, please feel free to write it on the comment section. So if you're in Enugu and you're looking for a realtor with integrity that will help you buy that land of yours, secure that duplex of yours, and you're looking for a place you can rent your commercial rental properties, you can call me on the number on the screen 070-6976-0081 and we'll surely get back to you. And also, if you're looking for a reputable real estate company that can help you manage your property, and if you've been having difficulties with lawyers not giving you what you want in managing your property, you can call us on 070-6976-0081 and we will help you manage your property. Thank you.